In the far eastern edge of India, where the mountains kiss the clouds and governance meets unique challenges, a new administrative mind has stepped in. One with decades of experience and the weight of Delhi's most complex portfolios behind him. Hello and welcome to Indian Masterminds. My name is Bhakti Kothari and today I bring to you the story of Manish Kumar Gupta, a 1991 batch IS officer now serving as the Chief Secretary of Arunachal Pradesh. But his journey here and what he brings to the table is far more interesting than just another posting. Born on 21st July 1967 in Madhya Pradesh, Manish Gupta's career began in the quiet corridors of engineering labs. He studied civil engineering at IIT Kanpur, one of India's most competitive institutions. But Gupta didn't stop at technical know-how. Years later, he walked the halls of Harvard University's Kennedy School, earning a master's degree in public administration, adding global insight to his Indian experience. Before taking charge in Arunachal, Gupta was a key figure in the governance of the national capital. He served as the Principal Secretary Home and Additional Chief Secretary in the Delhi government. His plate was never small. From labor and employment to land and housing, urban shelters to redevelopment of heritage zones, Gupta has worked across nearly every aspect of urban governance. He's also been the Commissioner of South Delhi Municipal Corporation, Vice Chairman of DDA, Joint Secretary for Labour and Employment, and Additional Chief Secretary in the Labour and Industries Department. It's not glamour, it's a grind. Years of shaping policies, solving urban challenges, and steering departments that impact millions. And now Arunachal Pradesh? Not just a posting, but a pivot. Soon after taking charge, Gupta held his first meeting with all key officials, principal secretaries, commissioners and department heads. The agenda was tight. Status of infrastructure projects, department-wise performances, staff vacancies, border concerns, pending promotions, nothing was left off the table. And that was just day one. He's already announced plans to meet with every department separately and more importantly, to tour every district himself. No reports, no buffers. Ground realities, seen and assessed directly. Arunachal isn't just another state. It's strategically located, culturally rich, but faces unique development hurdles, connectivity, terrain, and often overlooked policy gaps. Which is exactly why someone like Manish Gupta matters here. With 3 decades of high-level governance and a career that spans urban chaos and national-level portfolios, he enters this role with both the muscle and the mindset for action. He retires on 31st July 2027. That gives him slightly over 2 years to make a difference. Not a lot of time unless you know what you're doing. With his district tours, hands-on reviews, and a demand for department accountability, Gupta is setting the tone. No fanfare, just focus. Arunachal is watching. Delhi knows his record. And now, all eyes are on what Manish Gupta can deliver, not just on paper but on the ground. If you found this story interesting and worth your time, please like, share and subscribe because behind every file moved and every project launched, there's a story of someone quietly changing the course of timings. This is Bhakti Kothari signing off. Thank you for watching.